Hey, what's going on, good people? Your man Tone Space back at you real quick. Hit that like, subscribe, all that fly shit that the big YouTubers like to say, right? Anyway, straight to the point. I was just checking out my man LA's video on the flat earth, proof that the earth is flat, which shows balloon footage from, I believe, about 122,000 miles above the earth's surface that shows a beautiful flat plane as the camera pans from left to right. But this video isn't even an earth co-signing the flat earth. This is I'm gonna have you guys, you people that are new to this whole crazy, insane shit that I'm talking about. I'm gonna give you a nice prepper, something to start with, and that is debunking NASA. And I'm gonna set you on your road to debunking NASA. So all y'all that watch this, if you find this interesting, please hit YouTube, hit NASA debunked, and look up the interesting shit that you will see similar to this right here, right? The reason I'm making this video is because in the comment section of LA's Flat Earth video, someone made a comment saying, yo, they got video of the California wildfires from space. Check it out. So I thought that was interesting. So I said, let me go check out that info. And sure enough, I checked out that info, and NASA basically plays themselves. They prove that they fake the curvature of the earth. Am I saying they fake the curvature of the earth all the time and that the earth does not have a curve to that? That's not what this video is about. But if they will lie in this particular video right here, what else are they lying to you about? I just want this to be kind of like your starter kit into this information, because it's real information. There's astrophysicists, there's regular physicists, there's real scientists that are in line with this modality of thought. Believe it or not, we're not kooks, right? So I'm going to show you right now. This is supposedly the California wildfires from space. Now, even just from the still image, you probably see something that's wrong, but we're going to talk about it real quick. Now, you can see the smoke, right? You could see the mountains. Look how detailed you could see, like the road paths and everything in this video right here, right? Yet, look at where this curve is. Now, is this supposed to be the curve of the actual Earth? And if it's not, then why would NASA do that? Well, let's play the video first off so you can see it in motion. They're supposedly in space. You could see roads. Look at the roads. People, let's keep it a buck. How small will the earth have to be for this to be the curve of the earth? You know how small our planet would be if this was our curve of the earth? We wouldn't be able to see detailed roads and shit like that and have the curve here. This part right here that my arrow's on, this should be the size of a continent, not the size of a few miles of visible detailed road. Yet they're postulating that this is the curve of the earth. Yet at the same time, balloon footage from this far up, which is considerably higher than that level, if not a similar distance, shows a nice, beautiful flat plane. Something to think about. So if NASA would lie about that and show you the wildfires from space and actually fake the curvature within that video, then what else are they lying about? You know what I'm saying? Common sense tells you that that is too close to Earth to reflect what our so-called curve of the earth is. We all know that they're bullshitting about that video. So if you find that they bullshitted about that video, I would like you to check out NASA Debunked on YouTube, on Google. Just look into this. If this piques your interest in the least, look into it. You know what I'm saying? NASA is some of the easiest shit to debunk. It's almost funny. Now, they even say, like in Masonic law, it's kind of like a Masonic law, that when they deceive people, they have to leave breadcrumbs. They have to leave a trail that proves that they're lying to people. And that's kind of like the way that they validate themselves, lying and deceiving the people. They're like, well, I left a trail. I left clues. So that's on them if they want to believe this bullshit that we trying to perpetuate. Some real shit. So I just wanted to, shoot the shit about that real quick. If you find this interesting, please check it out. NASA Debunked. Look that up. You'll find some good information. Peace.